Hi guys, Max here with another quick video to show you how to change the auxiliary battery for R320. This is a W251 320 CDI, that's a diesel car. Anyway, Mercedes auxiliary battery is a kind of pain. Even the main battery is kind of pain to replace. So if you have a sign, a white battery sign on your dash coming up, probably it's the time to change your auxiliary battery. I'll show you in a minute how the sign looks like and how to replace the auxiliary battery. Alright, this is the sign, the white battery sign on your dash. If you get this, probably it's time to replace your auxiliary battery, which is a pain to remove. I'll show you in a second. So this is a right-hand drive car, and as you can see, what I have removed so far, obviously I've removed the 4 bolts from the seats. You need number 8 e-torque type of socket to remove the seats, but if you need to actually replace the main battery, yes, definitely you need to remove the seat, but you don't need to move it out of the car. You just need to lean it back a bit, just the way I have done that. And also all you need to do is to unscrew these 2 plastic nuts over here. You can see plastic nuts. You got 2 of them at the front of this plastic cover. One, another one over here, 2. Then you can move this plastic cover to access the main battery. But today I want to replace the auxiliary battery, which is this one over here, and all you need to do for that, I think you don't even have to remove the seat for that, because the upholstery, the carpet is in 2 pieces over here, but there is a fiberglass underneath, which you need to take off this plastic cover. It has 4 metal type of clips like that, with one obviously plastic nut on top of it. So 1, 2, 3. All you need to do is just pull up this, slowly and gently pull up this cover, and there it is. And then you remove this door strip away, rubber door strip away, and then you pull out this plastic cover, and then after you remove this nut over here, what is left is actually you gotta have probably 1 screw over here, 1 nut over here, the plastic nut, 1 over there on the right hand side, and 1 to the other side, and that should be enough for you to have access to pull this fiberglass cover away. And there you go, there you can see the battery. I think this space is enough for you to replace the battery and avoid the extra mess. It's possible with you can do this with a 10 millimeter socket, as you can see over there, and that's all you need to do, and hopefully the battery indicator, the white battery indicator, will be gone. Alright, I'll do this and I'll continue the video. Alright, I'm checking this old battery that I took from the car, and now as you can see there is only 11, it's only 10 point almost 6 volts out of it, which is not enough, I believe. Now let's compare it to my new battery. .8 almost, which this can be the reason. Alright, let's go and put this battery back, and hopefully that white battery indicator will be gone. Alright, the moment of truth. I just started the car and the battery indicator, the white one, is gone. Lots of pain, but I think it's worth it. It's kind of stupid that Mercedes has done has hidden all these two batteries over here. It's a big job to do, to be honest, for just a battery. Alright guys, hopefully you can fix this on your car and enjoy it. Thanks, and please subscribe.